Okay, students, today we're going to start on a new chapter on length. So I'm just going to do a quick introduction so that y'all can do the questions properly. Now, first you got to understand how to convert. Just like for money, 100 cents equals to $1, and you're able to change between dollars and cents. So in this case, I want you all to remember that actually 1 meter is equals to 100 cm. So when I ask you to convert or write in centimeters, when they give you something like 3 meters and 55 cm, just remember that because 1 meter is 100 cm, so actually 3 meters is 300 cm. Okay? Now, so over here 300 cm, okay, will be put over here, and then 55 cm will be written over here. Just pay attention to the places. Remember that when you write it in cm, over here, there are actually 3 digits. This is the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place. Over here, this is the tens place, this is the ones place. So you got to add it properly. Okay, that means you must add the ones place to the ones place, the tens place to the tens place, and then the hundreds place to the hundreds place. But in this case, there's no hundreds, only tens and ones. Now, write in meters and centimeters. Again, over here, there are 3 digits, hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. Just remember that 100 cm equals to 1 meter. So 600 cm, if I'm to write it for you, this 600 cm, this is 600 cm, this value over here is 600 cm. This is equals to 6 meters. Okay, so 600 cm, and then you take out 96 cm. Okay, so they converted the 600 cm into 6 meters over here, and then you get 6 meters and 96 cm. Okay, just remember, and I'm going to repeat this one more time, when you have something like this in the cm, this is the hundreds place, this is the tens place, this is the ones place. Okay. Okay, now for kilometers. Okay, when you have 1 km, when you run your 1.6 km for PE, 1 km is actually equals to 1000 meters. You have to remember this. This is very important. Okay, so again, if 1 km equals 1000 meters, then 7 km equals to 7000 meters. So usually I like to write it at the bottom. Okay, so again, if you look very carefully, there are 4 digits now. This is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. Okay, I think I better write it down for you so it's clearer. This is thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, 111 meters will be brought over here. 7 km will be brought over here. So when you add them together, you get 7111. Okay, this is the hundreds place, tens place, ones place. Okay, so you got to add it and correspond it to the place values. Okay, now if they give you meters and they ask you to change it to kilometers and meters, again, remember that 1000 meters equals to 1 km. So over here, the thousands place, okay, 5000 meters, when you change it, you get 5 km. Okay, so the 5 will be brought over here to become 5000 meters, and the remaining 3 digits, which is the hundreds, tens, and ones place, will be brought over here to be 505. So 5000 meters equals to 5 km. 505 meters will just remain the same. All right?